The Tib Blaster is an affordable solution for training your tibialis at the same price as 1 month of ATG membership plus shipping. While this originally started as a DIY project, I had so many requests from people that didn't have the tools, materials, skill set, or time that I've made the Tib Blaster available for purchase to better serve the ATG community, as well as those just looking for an affordable way to properly train their tibialis. Use the link in the description to place your order. The Tib Blaster has been tested up to 50 pounds, and if you're repping over 50 pounds on your tib raises, you may have a new world record. The sizing is based around Olympic plates, and it can be used with both metal plates and rubber bumper plates. All Tib Blasters are made by hand right here in North Carolina, in the Tib factory. Also just launched from the Tib factory, the Bro Split, to get you inspired each day to train your tibialis. The Please Don't Ask Me What I'm Doing, to give you the courage to train your tibialis in any gym across the nation. The Big Three just became the Big Four, as a reminder that there is more to life than just squat, bench, and deadlift. The Ankles to Grass, to remind you that leg training isn't just about squatting, and those ankles need some love too. And Classic Tib Factory Gear, to support a grassroots brand built around helping and inspiring those overcoming knee pain to become a more athletic, pain-free version of themselves. There's links for all the Tib Factory gear in the description. The pricing and build process for the Tib Blaster is completely transparent. So much so that I have a DIY video showing you how to make your own, from scratch if you have the tools, materials, time, and skill set. Give this video a thumbs up to help other people find it, and subscribe for new videos every week.